What if I told you that the next project manager on your job site doesn't miss RFIs, doesn't forget change orders, never loses a submittal? Come on, we've all lost a submittal. And most importantly, never sleeps. It's already happening inside Procore. AI is not coming for construction. It's already here. So if you're a PM, superintendent, or an owner, this video might change how you see your job forever. So welcome to Build Smart with me, Will Martin. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how AI inside Procore is quietly changing project management and who wins because of it. So let's be honest. Most project managers, myself included, are drowning in paperwork. Mine has gotten substantially less since I started using AI, implementing AI in my processes. But most of the time I've got emails, I've got schedules, RFIs, submittals, change orders, meeting notes, daily logs. The list goes on and on and on. So you miss one detail with that and it's game over. How many times have you missed something on the front end, you're closing out the job, and it's not documented and it bites you in the butt? Every time. It happens almost every time. And construction doesn't fail because you didn't care. It fails because that information got buried and missed. So, what if your software could think for you? What if not just storing data, it was able to store data, but it could also analyze that data? And that's where AI is going to change everything. Procore is starting to integrate AI that analyzes patterns across projects. So imagine this. It sees RFIs are increasing in one scope. Submittals are being returned late. Schedule float is shrinking. We hate that. So before you even realize it, you're starting to get behind. This system will flag the risks. That's predictive project management. And instead of reacting to the problems, that makes us able to kind of just jump in and prevent them. So that's just the beginning, because the real power in this isn't the alerts, it's the automation. So automated documentation and, reduction is something that Procore specializes in. So you can auto-categorize your documents, extract the data from the drawings, turn meeting notes into action items, and summarize your daily logs. You can also track your gaps, track your compliance gaps. So think about that. How much of your day is spent doing admin work? Now, mine is a good portion, but imagine if you could cut by 30, maybe 50%. That doesn't replace the PM, it upgrades the PM. But here's where it gets controversial, because the next step isn't assistance, it's decision support. AI inside systems like Procore will be able to analyze historical cost data, predict cost overruns, compare budget performance across jobs, flag subcontractor performance trends, and instead of guessing, you're now managing based on real-time intelligence. And we all know that owners love data-backed decisions. So the PM of the future isn't the busiest person in the trailer anymore. It's the most informed. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. If you don't learn this, someone else will. Will AI replace the project manager role? No, but it will replace those disorganized PMs we run into every now and then, the slow PMs that we see all the time, the paper-based PM that's slowly dying, the ones who refuse to adapt. AI won't take construction jobs. It will take construction jobs from people who are ignoring it. The PM who knows how to use AI inside of the Procore system software, they become unstoppable. They manage more projects. They make fewer mistakes. They look like a genius to their bosses. And this is exactly why I started this channel. If you're new here, this is Build Smart with Will Martin. My mission with this channel is really simple. I want to bring young people into construction. This is an industry that has treated me well. I've been in it since I was 18 and I love it. My next goal is to get this older generation, the boomer generation, the old heads out there, to learn to adapt and use this AI technology so they don't get left behind, because they are full of knowledge and they have everything we need to make our projects go. We just got to get them in the workflow with the AI. So I'm also writing a book called Build Smart, How AI is Changing Construction Forever. Working title. That's what I've come up with so far. And what's inside of it is not a theory. It's practical job site ready strategies you can actually use, because the industry is shifting to this AI technology so fast, you're going to get left behind. So here's the real question. Are you going to fight the AI, or are you going to lead with it? If you want to stay ahead in your project management, if you want to increase your value on the job site, if you want to be the PM that everyone trusts, then it's time to build smart. Subscribe, comment AI PM below if you're ready, and I'll see you in the next one, because the future of construction is intelligent. So don't forget to hammer that subscribe and nail that like, baby.